A lot of people want to own real estate, right? But one out of, I would guess, every 50 people who actually become interested in real estate actually follow through. Why is that the case, okay? Well, because mentally it's challenging. What does that mean for you though? Stick around to this video and we'll see if you have what it takes to be successful in real estate. What's up, y'all? My name is Tyler Devereaux, and I am a real estate fanatic, kind of. Really, I'm just fanatic about financial freedom. So what do I mean by that, okay? It means that I don't have to work anymore if I don't want to, which is pretty cool. But real estate gives me that kind of freedom. That's why I'm fanatic about real estate. So yes, you could call me a fanatic about real estate, but I want to be clear that's only because of what real estate provides me, right? You might be asking yourself, how do people get to that point of being job optional? Or more important, how do you actually get to that point of being job optional? Now, if you're not asking yourself that question, what in the hell are you asking yourself, right? But if you are asking yourself that question, you're not the only one, I promise you that. A lot of people, tons of people ask that question, but only a few are actually doing it. So I think the question is, what sets those people apart? I'm gonna give you 3 things with the emphasis and importance being on number 3 because it's absolutely the separator. Okay, so number 1 is knowledge and experience. That's probably not a shocker to you that we need those kind of things, but I lump those 2 together because true knowledge comes through experience. Listen, nobody starts off with knowledge and experience. We need to start to gain that, right? So the chicken before the egg. So what's the workaround? Personally, I leveraged my life experiences and the experience of others to gain knowledge and lift me to a higher level. I still do that to this day. Obviously, so do you. Look at you right now. You're watching this right now, which means you obviously do the same thing. Damn it, you're so freaking wise. You're so wise, yet with all that wisdom and knowledge at your freaking fingertips, you're still searching. Maybe that's because you lack the second or third item. Okay, number 2 is money. Kind of. You know, we need money to buy the deals, to buy these big apartment deals. And we've all heard that it takes money to make money. Okay, that's false. It takes value to make money. So if someone is lacking money, that's not truly the challenge. Okay, the thing that really sets those people apart in this aspect, in number 2, isn't the money that they currently have, but their ability to provide value to those who have money. Value creation is the key to wealth creation. So now the question becomes, how do you provide value? Now, knowledge and experience is valuable for sure. Obviously, knowing what to do and how to do it, super important, right? But I'm gonna tell you the most important step you need to take to be successful in real estate. Get your pen, paper, write it down. You ready? Number 3 is consistent action. Consistent action. That's the most valuable thing. It's really that simple. Those who succeed do something every single day to bring them closer to completing their first deal, while the rest put it off until tomorrow or make excuses as to why they cannot become a real estate investor. Once again, knowing what to do and how to do it is one thing, but actually doing it is an entirely different beast. Tony Robbins, he has a quote that says, lots of people know what to do, but few people actually do what they know. He says, knowing isn't enough, you have to take action. Let's be honest, sometimes we know that we need something, but we're resistant, right? We know we need to go work out, but God, I'd rather just stay in bed. We know that we want to acquire real estate and become job optional, but man, I would much rather just binge watch this new Netflix series that just came out. You want to be valuable? Put consistent and persistent actions in. If you truly want to become job optional, here's my challenge to you. I challenge you to dedicate at least 1 hour a day for the next 30 days to taking consistent action on your real estate business. And then I want you to watch what happens for you. 30 days. If you can't commit that 30 days, the reality is you do not deserve the success that you desire. And that may be harsh, but it's a fact and it's true. I'll leave you with one more quote from Malcolm X. Okay, he says, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So how do you prepare for future achievements? You do so by taking consistent and persistent actions today, knowing that they're gonna bear fruit. That's very, very valuable for you to do that. Thank you so much for watching the video. If this video hit the sweet spot, meaning it motivated you to take action, then be a friend and share this with a friend. If this video did not hit the sweet spot and did not motivate you to take action, well then be a friend and share this with a friend who is willing to gain comfort through discomfort, and then slap yourself for not being that person. Damn it, you're better than that. If you're not already subscribed, smash that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, don't push it again, because then you'll unsubscribe. You don't want to do that. Anyway, you get it, okay? Aloha nui loa, my friends. All my love. Go make it happen.